my channel, and happy Monday. I know that some of you are already done with work, some of you are still working, some of you haven't even started working, but I'm done working. And happy Monday. I decided to do a short video because it is Monday. We're already drained, we're already over it because we had to go to work, or going to work, or at work. So today's video, I just wanted to go over the eyeliners that I use. If you guys haven't noticed, I do a lot of wing liner because I love doing the wing. I feel like the look is complete with the wing. I know some looks look better without the wing, but I excuse my overall. I just wanted to sit down, have a chill day, and just show you guys which liners I use. And I know this is going to be a short video because I don't use very much eyeliners because I'm very picky with them. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below so I know which liners you use. Maybe I should try some out. So, yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start with the eyeliner that I started out with, which was the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in shade Intense Black. So, I will show you guys this one. If you open it, and it's, I don't remember what the difference between the tips are, but this is it. This is not a brush, so I don't know what it's called, but this is the one I started out with, and I still, to this day, I still love it. I've gone through probably 4 of these before I tried any other brand. That brings me back, yeah. Okay, so that brings me back to the next brand that I started using, because this eyeliner retails, the Stila one retails for I think $22 to $23. So that is very up there for an eyeliner that I go through a lot. But yeah, and the next eyeliner that I go through, or that I tried, was the Kat Von D liquid eyeliner, which is this one. As you can see, it's so worn out that you can't even see the lettering. All you could barely see is like the brand right there. But this one is also not a brush, so that's that. I also have the tattoo liner, which for some reason I accidentally gave to my mom, which I should get that back because I actually like it. So I'm going to get that one back. But this one I've had for a while. As you can see, I haven't purchased it because this one's up there also. They're just too expensive for me to like constantly be going through them and going to buy them. Okay, and the next one is a very affordable one, and it is a drugstore brand. So it's the Physicians Formula Eye Booster, as you can see. If you can't see, I don't know. It's the Eye Booster. And this one's actually a brush. So the only thing I don't like about the brush is that it does, when you're wearing glitter or like shimmer on your eyelid, it will pull on it and it will like drag it off. So that's the only issue I have with the brush tips. But besides that, this is actually really good. This is kind of my go-to now, so I will be repurchasing this. But I do want to try other eyeliners because I just want to expand and try new ones and see if I fall in love with another one. That is it with my eyeliner collection. I don't use the gel liners with the pencil, not the pencil, the brush. because I'm afraid I don't have a steady hand, so I'm afraid I'm going to screw it up. And once you have that eyeshadow and that look, you don't want to screw that up. So I do want to try it, but I'm very afraid. So pray for me when I do try it. But yeah, that's everything. Like I said, it was a short video. I don't have much eyeliner products, so I will do an updated one later on this year so that you know if I've tried new ones, if I've repurchased some of these. So stay tuned for that later this year. I don't know when, so don't hold me to that until later this year. But yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great Monday, evening, night, morning, afternoon, wherever you're at. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below which ones you like and which ones you use. Also, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, which is 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Thank you so much for your support, and I love you all. Bye. Because that's one of my favorite liners. No. But I love the ring. So out the I know some look so down below black. I'm sorry. This is actually a brush, not a black. Oh my gosh. This is, but that is.
Because I'm all